Hearty welcome to BVVS Arts, Science and Commerce Independent PU College, Vidyagiri, Bagalkot. Dear students, I am M.A. Sajjan, lecturer in English. Now I am going to discuss one mark questions and answers on Romeo and Juliet. So let's start. The first question: what, according to Romeo, does Juliet teach to burn bright? The answer is torches to burn bright. Second question is: who, according to Romeo, teaches the torches to burn bright? The answer is Juliet. Third question is: who, according to Romeo, seems to hang upon the cheek of night? Answer is Juliet. Number fourth: who is compared to rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear? Answer is Juliet. Fifth question is: who is compared to a snowy dove by Romeo? Answer is Juliet. Sixth question is: whom does Romeo address as yonder lady? Answer is Juliet. The seventh question is: whose beauty, according to Romeo, is too rich for use? Answer is Juliet. Eighth question is: when, according to Romeo, would his hand be blessed? When Romeo touches Juliet's hand is the answer. Ninth question is: after the dance is over, Romeo intends to, options are A. meet and talk to Juliet, B. touch Juliet's hand, C. watch Juliet's place of stand. Answer is option B, that touch Juliet's hand. 10th question is: whose rude hand would be made blessed by touching Juliet's hand? Answer is Romeo's. 11th question is: what, according to Romeo, will happen when he touches Juliet's hand? Answer is Romeo's hand will be blessed. 12th question is: what, according to Romeo, was not seen by him until he saw Juliet? Answer is Romeo had not seen true beauty till now. 13th question is: who are compared to crown by Romeo? To crows by Romeo. Answer is co-dancers or other dancers are compared to crows who were dancing on the floor with Juliet. 14th question is: what does Romeo want to do after the dance? Answer is Romeo wants to touch her to make his rude hand blessed. 15th question is: what does Juliet ask the loving black-browed knight? The answer is to bring her Romeo to her. 16th question is: who, according to Juliet, will lie upon the wings of night? Answer is Romeo. 19th question is: who, according to Juliet, is whiter than new snow? Answer is Romeo. 20th question: who, according to Juliet, is day in the night? The answer is Romeo. 21st question is: why Juliet calls Romeo as day in night? Because his presence will shine out against the darkness. 21st question: when does Juliet want Romeo to be cut out in little stars? The answer is when Juliet dies. 22nd question. What does Juliet want Romeo to be cut out into after her death? The answer is into little stars. 23rd question. What, according to Juliet, will Romeo make so fine? The answer is Romeo will make the face of heaven so fine. 24th question is with options. When Romeo shines as stars in the face of heaven, the world will blank according to Juliet. Options are A. Worship the garrison, B. Fall in love with the night, C. Keep staring at the heaven. The answer is option B, that is fall in love with night. 25th question is when, according to Juliet, would all the world will be in love with night? Answer is when Romeo is being cut into little stars, he will make the face of heaven so fine, then all the world will be in love with night. 26th question. When would the world pay no worship to the garrison according to Juliet? The answer is when the whole world will be in love with night. 27th question is where, according to Juliet, will Romeo lie upon? The answer is the wings of night. 28th question. What does Juliet ask the loving black-browed knight to do? The answer is she asks the loving black-browed knight to bring her Romeo to her. 29th question is who will come gliding on the wings of night? The answer is Romeo. 30th question. How does Juliet want Romeo to be immortalized? Juliet wants Romeo to be immortalized as stars in heaven. Immortalized means ajramaravagiruvudu. 31st question is the praise face of heaven in Juliet's words signify. The answer is the sky. 32nd question. When, according to the Juliet, would Romeo make the face of heaven so fine? The answer is when Romeo would become star or cut out into little stars. 33rd question. Who will come gliding on the wings of night? The answer is Romeo. I will mention some of questions which came from some question papers. The question paper of April 2015. The question is when, according to Juliet, would all the world will be in love with the night? The answer is when Romeo is cut into little stars, bar make the face of heaven so fine. The question came in June 2015. Whom does Romeo address as Under Lady? The answer is Juliet. In the month of April 2016 question paper, the question was who, according to Juliet, is whiter than snowy than new snow? The answer is Romeo. The question paper of June 2016. Who is compared to a snowy dove in a Romeo and Juliet? The answer is Juliet. The question paper of July 2017. Who is compared to a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear? The answer is Juliet. Dear students, I hope you understood clearly and easily. So now it's time to conclude my lecture on 1 mark questions and answers, and your assignment work is to write all these questions and answers in a long size book. If you have any doubts, you can get through my WhatsApp number 9980567549. Until the next video, stay tuned. Thank you.